Choll came here from sunny San Diego, California. We have a firefighter all the way from Canada with severe back pain. He loves mountain biking and obviously firefighting, but he's having great limitations due to this pain. He was considering a fusion surgery, but obviously that is a big surgery and he's young, so he came all the way down here for me to do a laser endoscopic discectomy and annuloplasty. We can do that through a little poke hole so he can hopefully get back to his life very soon and avoid a fusion. So we're all excited. Wish me luck. Okay, we're getting started. The first step, find the perfect entry point, and the best way to do that is to use intraoperative imaging. Big T, that screen over there. And the FOSS, Luke, the FOSS. Dilator safely at the back of the disc. I stuck in this really skinny little spinal needle into the middle of the disc. Now I'm going to inject the chromatodiscogram dye. Shot. Oh yes, there it is. Shot. Looking for it to leak out the back. Shot. I see a line coming back like this. I'm excited. Shot and save. Yep. Shot and save. So above the needle, there's a shadow way in the back. That's probably it. Shot and save. Shot and save. Yep, it's totally outlining and it's got like a little dot right there. I'm so excited. Okay, there's that little blue spot right way over there. I went in way back here, and I've been making my way toward the middle, and then finally got this little blue area. I feel like a cheater, but that's why I like that blue dye, because it's really helpful. So I just need to get inside here and get all that kakapupu out. And then it also has the empty tent sign, like, where's the beef? It's about in the middle, slightly to my side, and I'm going to reach all as far across to the left side as well. I'm really excited now. Laser. Pimple popping in the spine. I'm just using the cannula to massage that thing out. Sometimes it comes flying out of there. It's very oddly gratifying. Yours is kind of screaming out there too, but it's like my punk teenage kids, it's not going to come out without a fight. There's that little bugger. Oh yes. Come here, you little son of a gun. Oh yes, there it is. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh! Oh! It's kind of like pimple popping in the spine. And we all know how popular that is. Who would have ever thought people besides me would be so fascinated by pimple popping, but it's just one of those inherently awesome, gross things that are oddly gratifying. Okay, look at that. There's the kakapupu at the back of the disc. I'm sure you could already tell everything should be white. It was all white until I got to the bad part, which is more in the middle. It's all consistent with what we are expecting to find based on all your symptoms in your MRI. I'm so excited. But just like my teenage kids, you can tell it's not going to come out without a fight. It's okay. Oh, come on, you little buggers. Look at that. Uh-huh. Teenage kids for sure. Oh, right there. You can see why other surgeons don't like doing this surgery. It can be frustrating as all whatever the term is. Alrighty, I'm done. This is where all that blue stuff was. I'm going all the way past the midline to the other side. I was careful not to take too much disc out either. That's the other thing you should try not to do, is not completely trash the disc space in the process of doing surgery so that it degenerates quickly. It's fine balance, but oh, I feel so good. And then that's where the nerves are. Look away, way in there. That's all the fat. And this whole area right here was the annular tear. There's a little bit of blue right there, tiny bit. Oh, I'm really hoping for a great result. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go on Paxil or something. So get better. Okay, all done. It was a lot of work, I have to admit, but I'm glad I did. It was all right in that area. Now we can look up to make sure that the dural tube is totally intact, which it is. Oh, that looks so good. It's still covered in a thick membrane of ligamentum flavum. You can probably see a little bit right there. That looks good out there. That looks good out there. I love it. All through this little poke hole right there. I'm going to put a little Band-Aid on it. And I'm hoping you're going to get back to your wonderful life as soon as possible. And we're all wishing you an awesome and speedy recovery.